In this video, I'll show you where to find the OBD port and the VIN number on a 2000 Toyota Avensis T22. First, let's start with the OBD port. The OBD port is located on the driver's side, under the steering wheel on the left. You'll see a small removable storage box. Remove this box, and just above it you'll find the OBD diagnostic connector. Now let's move on to the VIN number. The first VIN location is on a sticker at the bottom of the driver's side door pillar. This sticker shows the VIN number and the paint color code. The second VIN location is under the hood on the firewall. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.